Okay, guys, on October the 8th, my husband proposed to me in marriage, in which I accepted. Today, December 28th, 2024, is our second anniversary. And on our wedding night, my husband made a special dinner for me, which was stuffed peppers. And every year for our anniversary, he makes the same dinner to celebrate. Come on, honey. Tell him what we're doing over here.
It's just ground beef and onions.
Okay, so we got ground beef and onions here. And
those are the peppers.
These are the peppers.
Not the usual 16 that we did before. But
yeah, we're just doing 4 tonight because we still have some Christmas dinner left. And here is the spaghetti sauce. And guys, check out, it's talking to us. Now, honey, tell the viewers how you're going to put all this together while they watch this magic.
Well, we got to mix the rice with the ground beef and onions so they could share their flavors for a little while.
Okay.
While they're sharing flavors, I'm going to cut the tops off the green peppers, clean them out, and get them ready to put the mix in. Once I pack the peppers full, then I'm going to spoon a little bit of spaghetti sauce on them and put the tops back on. Then the spaghetti sauce is going to go around the outside of it, and I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it for about an hour.
Well, you heard it there first, guys, firsthand. And here is the rice. We're making brown rice to go with all the mix. And we're going to have biscuits on the side. Ever since I made my husband biscuits the first time, he can't get enough of them. So every time we go grocery shopping or whenever we're making a dinner where bread is warranted, he always asks for biscuits. And my husband also insisted that we get a cake for our anniversary, where he asked me if I wanted one. He wanted to put happy second anniversary on the cake, but since he's not going to eat any, I decided to leave it plain. But this is one of my favorite cakes, which is a strawberry whipped cream cake, 3-layer. I love this cake so much. I love this cake as much as I love my husband. I love this cake as much as my husband loves me. And
stop lying to him.
We're just simple, guys. This is what we do. We love spending time together, and we love cooking together. This is what we do. Okay, now he just started mixing the rice in with the grounded beef. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this dinner. So there is a bell pepper for me, my husband, my son, and my mom's. Don't that look deliciousness, guys?
Should have been a little bit more ground beef, but it'll do.
I think that's enough ground beef. You don't think so?
Oh, it will be. It'll be more than enough to put the peppers. There's going to be some on the side.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to give you guys another look at this spaghetti sauce and how it's talking to us. Well, hell, it's talking to me. Me hungry. Oh, shit. That damn... Honey, it's attacking me.
It will get you.
Holy shit.
Into the wall.
Oh, my gosh. Now, what did you say about a wash pot?
A watched pot never boils.
Oh, a watched pot.
And when it comes to spaghetti sauce,
Yeah.
anything that's got a lot of tomato and everything in it,
Uh-huh.
you really gotta wash it because that's what it'll do. It won't boil. It'll just blurp,
Blurp, blurp.
blurp.
Yeah, my husband said he even got the sauce on his glasses. Oh my gosh. Wait, oh shit. What did you just call it?
Mount St. Helens.
Damn.
It's like a volcano erupting.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh goodness. Oh, I love it. Yeah, so this is what we have, guys. This is what we had on our wedding night. This is what we had on our first anniversary, and this is our second anniversary. So this is what we're having again. It's kind of like, I guess you could call it our family tradition.
I love it.
Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. What did you just say? Not to mention what?
The boy loves it.
Oh, my gosh. Yeah.
And this time, I'm doing it in my cast iron pot.
Oh, yeah. I love cast iron cookware. I remember when moms made stuffed peppers when we were kids. Keeping up with it. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Honey, that's going to be more than enough.
That's right. It goes around the outside of the peppers,
Yeah.
along with some more spaghetti sauce.
Yeah.
Now I gotta cut the peppers.
Okay. All right. Now, what are you getting ready to do? Oh. All right. Now, tell them how you do the peppers.
You have to cut them. You want to keep the lid, but you want to clean out the seeds and stuff. Then you just want to get some of your mix. Get it down in there. Make sure you fill all the cavities the best you can. Pack some of that down in there real nice like. They don't call them stuffed peppers because they just look pretty. Pepper number 1.
Yeah.
Place that where it's not going to be falling over. Phew, make a mess. Make a mess. Just make a mess. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of this rice mix left.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Oh, we love it like that, don't we?
So I actually found some bigger green peppers, but they didn't have them.
Yeah, last year we were able to find some really big ones. But what store did we go to get them from, honey?
I think we went to,
The Killing Store?
yeah, Myers.
Yeah. Well, I didn't feel like driving way up there today, so I'm still tired from crema cooking. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so deliciousness. Yeah, guys, my husband thinks he can cook because he can do a lot of different cooking recipe thingies.
You just upset because you know I can cook better than you. Did I say that out loud?
Oh, you might say it out loud, doesn't mean that it's true.
Yeah, that's why you always had me cook.
Honey, I have you cook so I can dawdle.
Because I wanted to dawdle at one point in time or another.
Yeah.
All right, we got some pepper stuffed here.
Okay.
Now, I'll make sure that I'm not going to fall over.
Okay. And if you guys notice, since he didn't mention it, he have each lid. He have the lid for each pepper next to it, so that he'll know what goes where.
Now, what you want to do is take a little bit of this pizza sauce and just dribble just a little bit on top. That way, when it's in the oven, that can soak down in
Oh.
to the rice and beef.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, and guys, I forgot to mention, we're also using what is it, a pound of beef or what?
Well, we got
No, 2.5.
2.5 pounds.
2.5 pounds, and it is the what is it, 96.4%. So
Don't give me mine.
well, you know what, I kind of forgot. I know it was next to the leanest.
Them peppers stuffed.
Oh yeah.
Now, when you do this, it kind of helps hold the peppers in place.
Oh yeah. Honey, you just making a mess.
I think we make too much spaghetti sauce.
Oh, that's okay. We can use what's left and make another meal with it.
We'll just put it on the meatloaf.
Oh yeah.
But see, now you're going to eat the peppers. You're going to enjoy the peppers and everything else like that. But with all the rice and the meat and everything around be outside, but the sauce,
Yeah.
it's almost like you got 2 meals in one right here now.
Oh yeah. We love 2 meals in one, don't we?
I'm surprised we're only doing 4 of these.
Well, I wanted to do things a little bit different than last year. We still have a lot of the Christmas dinner left, and so
9-pound meatloaf.
oh yeah.
That's just the meat, not everything else you put in there.
Hell yeah. Oh damn.
Get any on you?
I know. And because, guys, this is our anniversary, the video is going to be a few minutes longer than normal. Okay, so now he is pouring the spaghetti sauce over the rice.
Need to get more?
You say you got the Italian showing up in you.
Yeah, I got a little bit of Italian in my bloodline.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if it's the cooking part or the drinking part, but
I thought
That's
the
so
drinking
amazing.
part was the Irish.
Italians drink too.
Yeah, but they drink wine. Irish drinks a lot of beer.
We got more Irish in me than anything, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Never bothered to ask, to tell you the truth.
Yeah, well, that's the reason why we had to stock up on all that beer. Because you can never get enough of it.
I actually thought that you were going to change your mind and want to go and get more of that today instead of going to Jewel.
Well, honey, all you had to do was to mention it. You know what I mean? We can still go get some more.
Yeah.
We can get more. I'm for it. It'll be our third trip, but it's worth it.
So what do y'all think right there?
Okay, guys.
Then some stuffed peppers.
Yes, yes.
Stuffed peppers.
Yes, it is. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at how beautiful it is.
All right, now we'll preheat the oven to about 325. Slide them puppies over inside. They'll go for about an hour.
Okay. When are you gonna put the biscuits in? Right after you take the peppers out?
Yeah, because the biscuits only take about 20 minutes.
Biscuits don't take 20 minutes if the oven is hot.
Oh, I know.
Okay, guys.
Okay, all right already. I'll start it. Damn. Picky ass oven.
Okay.
I hate that digital stuff.
Oh, you crazier than all hell get out. I love the digital. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, here is the finished product. Don't that look deliciousness? And look at all these golden brown biscuits. This is what we're having for our anniversary dinner. Stuffed bell peppers with biscuits. So for anybody that comes across this video, please help us celebrate our anniversary, our second anniversary, by liking, subscribing, and sharing. We would really appreciate it. Now tell me, guys, that's not enough to fill a hungry belly. Happy eating.